The Helios 40 85mm f1.5 is a legendary lens among photographers and videographers due to its unique characteristics, and for a lot of people, the lens's most famous feature is its swirly bokeh effect. So when I finally got the lens, I told myself I should use it for swirly bokeh portraits. The Helios 40 is built like a tank, with a solid metal construction that makes it extremely heavy. Because of the weight of this massive lens, I didn't take it with me on trips and shooting, and slowly, in my mind, the lens became the huge swirly bokeh portrait lens that was not usable for anything else. But I was very wrong. I just went on a little trip to the seaside, and I told myself it was a perfect opportunity to give this lens another chance. To remove as much weight as possible, I unscrewed the tripod mount from the lens. Once I gave myself the challenge to use only this lens for a week, the weight issue became less important, and I was more relaxed to use it, even if it was still a massive monster to carry around. Of course, the lens can create amazing swirly bokeh in the right conditions, but what I discovered about the lens just blew me away. When I look at the footage, there's a fantastic organic feeling. Something unique, like a perfect illustration of a vivid memory. The lens fast aperture offers an amazing subject separation. It's really easy to focus the story you are telling on one specific character. Maybe because the lens has some really impressive coating, the colors of the footage looks beautiful. I was wrong about this lens. It can do way more than just swirly bokeh portraits. The Helios 40 is a lens like no other. It's not the most easy to use lens, but I had a lot of pleasure discovering its enchanting capacities. I will definitely use it again in the future and maybe even try to turn it into an anamorphic lens.